everyone, today in this video I'm going to be checking out the Insta360. This is the back bar waist strap accessory. They did send me this sample, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the retail box and packaging. You'll see just very generic cardboard packaging here with a little sticker letting us know what this product is. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and see what's inside. Here are all the contents. We have the back bar itself. You'll see on the back side here how we can mount our camera, just your standard threaded connector. And then we can loosen this and we can position it up or down or anywhere in between. Let's flip it over to the other side. This is the front side. It just has a nice Velcro belt that you're gonna wear. You'll see we have some covers here on both sides, giving us that added comfort. You'll see as it goes around here, how it looks from the back side as this rests up against your back. But very simple and straightforward, just Velcro through a belt to put it on and fasten in place. Let's go ahead and put it on. So for this, basically, I'm just gonna hold both sides, put it around the back, and then you'll see we can tighten the front right here. Let's just get it in a little bit. So we have some wiggle room because now we could spin it around so we can easily mount our accessories. You could also put those on ahead of time. It's really up to you and what you're trying to configure with this. So for example, say I want to take my camera and use the invisible selfie stick. We're just gonna mount those together and then I can just mount everything right up here. Get it positioned how you want it. So that's what I want. And then we can extend it out. So we'll go above our head for a cool perspective. Then I'll go ahead, I'll bring it back around here. We'll go right up there. We'll bring it back around and then I'll make my final adjustments here. So again, you can really tighten this. There we go, we're nice and snug. And now we could be walking, biking, running, doing whatever we want with our camera on the back. And again, if you feel like it, you can make some adjustments right there on the fly too. I'm able to reach around and adjust that as needed. I don't know about you, but I think that kind of looks pretty stylish. What do you think? It's connected with the invisible selfie stick to the back strap. You can't even see any of that. So we're gonna try it out with this electric scooter and see how it does. And yes, you might be wondering, I am wearing it off to the side on my hip so we could get these sweet shots. Now I have it behind me on my back, directly parallel with the ground. I feel like I'm a real-life Google Maps. Now you'll get a feel for the stability while I'm walking right here. We'll pick it up to a jog. Now we have the pole fully extended out the back, straight up again, just to get a feel for that extra length and how stable it is. I don't know about you, but I think it's pretty safe to say you shouldn't turn your back on this accessory. So this is a really neat accessory, super comfortable to wear. Really pleased with the build quality, the Velcro, and everything along those lines. The biggest miss for this though is that we don't have more customization options with the included mount. So basically we can rotate this down or up. That's all that we get. We don't get any swivel or rotation to the left or to the right. That would be really nice and get those side perspectives too. So I feel like that's a miss with this mount. It's not flexible enough. It should be able to, rotate out or point out either side, not just that up and down movement and motion. So again, this is all we're able to do with this. Basically, we could point it down, towards our feet or up towards our head or straight out our back. But I'd like to have the ability to go to the left and right side as well for those cool perspectives like you saw on the scooter. And now I was able to do that because I just wore it on my side, but it's not made for that. My hips aren't as big as this section here, so it's just a little bit goofy. And then you don't have enough slack in the belt, at least I didn't, to be able to make it as tight as you would want it to be. So anyways, that's my takeaway with this. Really a cool accessory, gives you really unique perspectives, but there's still some work to be done with this mount.